Hi, I'm Rosa. I'm about to make dinner and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. And I'm going to make a coconut lentil curry. I looked up a couple recipes online and I'm adapting them to what we have and what I wanna throw in there. I've sliced up an onion. I'm going to get some garlic ready. I also have ginger. I'm not gonna add this much, but I'm gonna have some ginger to grate in. And I have dandelion greens that I wanna put in there. I know it doesn't go with it, but I wanna get the dandelion greens in there. And that's where we are beginning. I have this lentil trio that I've had in my cupboards, and I'm gonna use 1.5 cups of this, so I'm going to take out about 1.5 cups or so and rinse them. I have sauteed my onion and garlic, added ground ginger, curry powder, and cayenne pepper. And now I'm going to add lentils that I've rinsed, as well as coconut milk, and I don't have vegetable broth. I might add water, I might add chicken broth, I'm not sure. It smells good. I added 1 can of coconut milk and 4 cups of water. I decided against the broth. And I'm going to let this cook up for a while I get my dandelion greens ready to throw in. I'm also making some black rice to go with the lentils. Since my husband can't have white rice, I thought I'd make some black rice for him. The lentil curry is simmering, and I have my dandelion greens chopped up, ready to throw in. I just tasted this and it needed salt that I had not added, so I added salt, and I think it needs a little bit more creaminess. I think I'm going to add a 2nd can of coconut milk. So I'm going to taste it one more time and then decide. Salt seems to be okay now. I think the coconut milk will add a little bit more sweetness and creaminess to it. So I'm going to wait till right before it's done to add the coconut milk. And the lentils need a little longer cooking. I'm going to go ahead and add all these dandelion greens. Now it looks pretty. I'm going to turn the heat off and add my 2nd can of coconut milk, and I'm also chopping up some cilantro I had in the refrigerator to garnish. This is how dinner's progressing. I had the curry just on the eye, but not on a dirty cutting board, cucumber and cilantro. And then I picked up the arancini balls, potato pancakes. I had some leftover meatballs from last night's dinner, and I'm going to open a bottle of marinara. And that's gonna be dinner tonight. This is our smorgasbord, the black rice with the lentil curry, meatballs, arancini, potato pancakes, cucumber, cilantro, some marinara sauce, applesauce, just a little bit of everything so we can enjoy this meal. Dinner was really good, very filling, and here's what I have after dinner. Arancini balls and potato pancakes for the refrigerator, the black rice for the refrigerator, some cilantro left over. I put some of the curry in super cubes to freeze for another day, and we still have some curry for the next couple days. Turned out good. It was a good meal. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.